Hi Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I have got some Aimeili gel polishes that I'm going to be reviewing for you. So I've not had them come in a box like this before, so it's quite nice to actually see in some packaging like this. And you can see that this has got 12 bottles in it and it just slides out like so. And there are all the bottles, and what's really cool about this is that I've got like a mix of their polishes, so you're going to get to see like a variety of the polishes that they provide. So you can see from the top here we've got some colour changing, we've got some glitters, and we've got cat eye, and then obviously just normal polishes. So obviously if you're doing this on your own nails, you would want to apply a base coat first. I am using their base and no wipe top coat as well. Obviously as I'm putting these on a pop stick, I haven't put any base coat on. So this is the first colour that's up. So this is Pretty in Pink, and it certainly is. So with gel polish, you are much better by applying thin coats and building it up, even if that means putting on 3 to 4 coats. It's much better than trying to put thick coats on, because if you put in a thicker coat on, it could chip easily or, you know, wrinkle underneath the lamp. So that's how it looks after the first coat. So I'm just going to cure this underneath the lamp now. And I've just sped this up and I'm going to go ahead and apply the second coat. So this is a really gorgeous shade of pink. It's not really bright, but it's like a really nice warm shade. It'd be like perfect for like springtime. So for this I did put on 3 coats just to make sure that it was fully opaque. I do find with Aimeili polishes that you do tend to have to put on more coats to, you know, make it that fully opaque. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply their top coat and cure that in my lamp for 30 seconds. And this is how it looks. It's a real pretty. I really like this pink. What do you think, Jelly Babes? So the next one up is 43, and it's a diamond glitter hot pink. So it's really gorgeous. It's got some chunkier holographic glitters in there as well, and obviously smaller glitters. So I know it looks quite red on the label, but it is actually more pinky, as you can see here. So with glitters and obviously with gels, you want to try and move the glitter around as much as possible, just so it's nice and evenly spread out, so it's not all clumped in one part of your nail. So this was 2 coats for it to be fully opaque, and it's so gorgeous. Just look at all that hollow twinkling underneath the lights. So I really like this one. So moving on now, this is TC01, and this is a colour changer. So you can see here obviously what it's going to look like when it's cold. So it's a gorgeous sort of purple. It's coming up quite blue on the camera, but it is more purple in the flesh. But it is a real gorgeous colour. So there you go. So I'm just showing you it being applied for the first coat, and then when I show you again, it's been top coated, and this was 3 coats for it to be fully opaque. So I'm just going to put it here into the cold so you can see what it looks like. And then the other one is it in the warm. So it goes like a gorgeous pinky colour. Obviously where it's purple, that's just where the blue tack is underneath where I've stuck it. So it's a bit more difficult to get it to go fully pink. So I'm just going to show you half and half here. So this is like a definite winner for me because it's just got my 2 favourite colours in it. So moving on now, you've got this sort of mint gel polish. So this is going to definitely be perfect for springtime. It's just a perfect spring colour. I'm just going to go ahead and apply the first coat. So you can see that obviously this one, it's not like overly pigmented, but it does apply like nice and even, so it's no surprise that this needed 3 coats for it to be fully opaque. But isn't it just such a gorgeous colour? So moving on now, so this is a black diamond glitter, And this is so pretty. It's got quite a lot of colours in, which hopefully you can see. So I've got like goldy, bronzy colours. There's light blues. There's like darker blues. It's very, very pretty. So I'm just putting it onto the natural nail, which you can see here, and trying to spread out the glitter as much as possible. But I mean, I'm doing this just so you can see it over a natural nail, but you'll probably, you know, be able to get away with maybe putting on a base coat, like a black base coat, and putting this over the top, maybe just one coat. But I mean, it's still absolutely gorgeous. And again, this was 3 coats to be fully opaque. But yeah, this one I really liked because there's just so many colours to it. So this is a colour changer, but this one has got like glitter in it as well. So you can see it's a gorgeous purpley tone when it is cold. It still blows me away whenever I use like a colour changing polish, and like this was like one of the polishes that got me into doing gels anyway, because it just blew my mind that it would change colour just by temperature. I was like, oh, what kind of nail voodoo is this? And you can see it goes to this gorgeous blue shade when it is warm. So this one, the glitter, it looks a bit different to their glitter polishes. It almost like the glitter looks like it's been sandwiched, if that makes any sense. So like this one obviously is like the proper glitter, and hopefully you'll get to see what I mean. Like the glitter, maybe because it's got hollow particles in it, it just sort of sparkles more. But I do love like the glitter changing colour polish. Does that make sense? The colour changing glitter polish. It is still very pretty, but it is a different look. Like I say, it looks like it's been sandwiched, like jellied or something like that, like a jelly sandwich look. So I don't know where the footage went for this, but I've just had to put a picture in because I couldn't find it. It was very, very pretty. So this is their this is their cat eye polish. So I've gone ahead and applied a black base first, and I'm just going to apply 1 coat. So you want to obviously make sure that you've got a magnet one. I wasn't provided with this, so I'm just using my Model Ones one. And how gorgeous is that? It's almost like a two-tony cat eye. Can you see that? You've got like a blue, and then right next to it you've got like a pinky like streak going through it as well. So that's one look. Or you can get 2 of the round magnets like this and kind of like bend it, which is really, really cool. I haven't quite got to grips with getting it looking that perfect, like S, almost like an S cat eye. So you can just hold it like that, but I do think that that looks really cool anyway. It's almost like, you know, a groovy baby. But I do love magnetic polishes. They are stunning. But I just decided to keep it like this. This is the final look that I've went to. I just think I'll be able to photograph it better. So moving on then, so this is another like glittery colour changer. So it's a gorgeous brownie colour when it is cold. It's a nice shade of brown. It's like a warmer brown. I'm just going to like even all the glitter out, as you can see here. So I'm just going to make sure that I'm going to put it in the warm first, because obviously we know what it looks like when it's cold. Just going to leave it in there for a little bit longer, and it goes to this like gorgeous, it's not white, it's like a creamy colour, and it's really, really lovely. So this would be gorgeous for like autumn time maybe. But yeah, that is very pretty. I did like that one. And this one is it's called Glitter Pinch of Peach. And I wasn't sure about this one when I did the first coat, because obviously it kind of looked a bit like watered down was the only way I could describe it, but actually I really liked this one. This would be perfect for if you were going on a holiday. because this was it after 3 coats, and it was such a it was a gorgeous colour. It was an unusual colour. I've not got one like this before, and it was just packed with glitter as well. Like the glitter polishes are really, really packed. They've got like a real depth to them. So this is a gorgeous, like almost like from like their nude shade. It's kind of got like lilac-y undertones with it. And I really like this. I do like the nude ones. And it's perfect for, you know, if you, I don't know, maybe you're working in an office and you can't really have like out there nails, but you just still want to have polish on your nails. This, I think, would be a gorgeous one. So this is another colour changer, and it's another glitter one. So you can see it's a gorgeous pink shade when it is cold. In fact, I think this was one of the first ones. This was like a similar colour that I used when I first had my nails done. My friend, Stephanie, she came round. I hadn't been feeling very well and she wanted to pamper me, and she came round and did my nails, and she put a colour on like this. And I was like, and that was it. She left and I went onto the internet and brought some gel, some gel products so I could do this on my own nails. I just fell in love instantly. The power of a colour changer, eh? So here are all the 12 polishes. And I absolutely love the variety. All of them have been absolutely gorgeous. Love the glitter polishes. I don't think I've used one of their glitter polishes before, but you know, it was proper packed. The cat eye was absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, really beautiful collection. So please let me know your favourites in the comments box below. Thank you so much for watching. If you've not done so already, please press that free subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I always love to read your comments. So until next time, Jelly Babes, take care. Bye.